I think we have not finished, right? No. Okay, so we can. Okay, let me see. Hold on now. Angles. I'll download angles. We go through the angles first. You have the angles worksheet. You know which one? The last week one, and then let's see. Hold on. Okay. Is everything okay, Emma? All okay?
Yeah.
You look more calm this week. I don't know. I'm not too sure whether I'm reading all this right. So far, have I been accurate now? No. Hmm. Don't know. Okay, never mind. All right. Okay. I think we went through some of the questions, right? Okay. I'm going to share screen. I'm going to share screen. Let me see. Yeah. Did we go through all this or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Let me just hold on. Have you done?
Yeah.
Have you done? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to just check through just a moment. You are using this book in school? No, right? Are you using? No, you are using the other one, right? Okay. Okay. What is your answer for question number 1A here?
51.
51. Well done. Congratulations. What's acute angle? How many degrees? Or the range?
Less than 90.
Good. Obtuse,
More than 90.
but less than?
Maybe 60.
No. Because reflex is another one. So obtuse angle is more than 90, but less than 180. Okay. Reflex angle is bigger than 180. So you have an angle, let's say like that. This like this. It's a reflex angle. It's more than 180, right? So down here now, if let's say we combine these two, what angle is this? What type angle? Let's say this is one angle. What do you call this? Obtuse, huh? Obtuse, okay. Because it's less than 180, more than 90. Okay, all right. So let us see. So state if y is, what's your answer? Acute angle. Here now, next one. In the diagram, blah, 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 find CAF. CAF, this angle here. What's your answer?
30.
30, 30, is it? Well done. And what about DAE? DAE.
60.
Well done. See, all this chicken is easy, right? Emma? Easy? Imagine this is the girl who last time had a nightmare with maths. Now she says easy. Okay, that's good. Hence, write down the name of the special triangle ABC. What is this triangle called?
Isosceles.
No. You say down here is 60. This is 60. This is 60. So, equilateral. But an equilateral, just for your understanding, an equilateral triangle is also an isosceles triangle, because isosceles triangle must have at least two angles at the same. So it's like this. No, it's like I'm asking you for numbers, and then you can say number 1, number 5, number 8. I ask you for odd numbers. So odd numbers are still number, right? Just like scaling. Scaling would okay. I think no. Sorry, sir. We remove that. We remove that just for your definition. Two angles that are same. Yeah, I have to erase that part. Okay. Forget what I said. Forget what I said. Emma, your isosceles, two angles are the same. Yeah, I gave the wrong analogy. Sorry. So this is equilateral. Next one. What is the value of x?
85.
Well done. Well done. Value of y?
43.
Well done. You can see the z, right? Well done. Okay, then what about, let me see, this is 3a, 6b. Over there. Okay, b. Okay, what about the value of x? Have you done this one?
39.
Well done.
Opposite.
Okay, okay, well done. What about y?
1 for 1.
Good. And what about z?
61.
No, we are having like no problem like that, no? No one will believe we have problem at P6. So now, what's your state, your hatred? Last time you said, remember I asked you from 1 to 10, you told me 0. Now it's how many?
5.
Still 5? Hey, you're doing quite well, still 5 here, you. Okay, never mind, never mind. Okay. CEF. CEF. What's your angle for CEF to A? CEF? 38, well done. B. 2B, which is GBC. You don't know? Okay, now, okay, let us go to the whiteboard, okay, so that you are very clear on this. Oh. Okay, this one. Okay, Miss, I'm going to draw a 4-sided figure like that. How many triangles can I divide it into? But you can only have the 2, so I can cut this way, or I can cut this way, either way. But it's 1, 2. What's the total angle in total? The sum of angles in a triangle? How many degrees?
360.
No. In a triangle.
180.
180 here, 180 here. So you add together is 360. So you can draw any 4-sided figure, whatever shape you want. Let's say now I draw like that. I draw a very odd one like that. Okay, you see that this is like one of the brands, Power, I think. Power brand is like that. Have you seen the Power brand? The shoes? Never seen. This is a 4-sided figure. You see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Same question. How many triangles can you divide this into?
2.
2. So the same thing. That means 1, 2, 3 will be 180. 1, 2, 3, 180. You add together is also 360. Therefore, all 4-sided figures, the sum of the angles will be 360. Now look again at the question. Look again at the question. Take another look. You want to find GBC. This is what? This is a 4-sided figure, right? You think you know how to do? You can find this one here. Then you can find this one. If you can find 1, 2, you can find this one. Then you can find this one.
One 142.
142. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Can you find the value of x? Can do now, Izan. Have you done? Have you done?
No.
You got answer? Okay, W, what's the answer for W?
56.
Well done. What's the value for X?
124.
What's the value for Y?
I don't know.
Okay, let us see. You have X. Okay. Now down you can see what type of triangle is this.
No, isosceles.
So these two angles are the same, right? This one is different. You can find this. If you can find this, you can find this. And then you can find this. Come on, Emma, you can do this, Emma. You are already so quite advanced. How about your ranking among the math students, among the students in class for maths? Do you know? Roughly. Are you at the bottom, middle, or top?
Middle.
Middle. At the start of the year, were you at the bottom, middle, or top?
Middle.
Middle. So did you improve or not? Okay. Any of the primary 6, any students from the primary 6 school, your class last year?
Yeah.
Did they do better than you last year?
I don't know.
What about this year? Who's doing better, or are you the same?
There's one guy who's doing better than me.
Now this, so you got a few percent, is it, from the in the class from last year? So one way is to check, no, whether you compared to them, are you getting? Of course, I'm assuming you are improving. Do you think you are improving?
Mm,
It's a non-committal answer. Is it humility or is it really okay? But anyway, you try now. You try the question now. And what is your worst subject now?
maybe
Don't tell me it's
physics.
Malay. So, physics. That's the worst subject. You don't take physics, right? Do you take physics? You're too young to take physics. You're only in sec one.
We have chemistry, physics, and biology for
Okay.
science.
Okay. So they have already split up. During my time, it's like everything was combined until sec 2. In sec 3, then they will split it up to physics, chemistry, and bio. So now yours, they have already. I think you can ask me some questions on physics. I was not so bad in physics. So
I'm also
sec
bad at
1.
geography.
Sorry, you're also bad in what?
Geography.
Geography. Okay, geography. Yeah, I wasn't so great. But how's your Malay? I'm very curious.
I can just pass.
Aduh. You don't speak Malay at all, right? At home?
Mm,
With your extended family members?
a bit.
You need practice like that. You need practice. But it's very important. Now, once you are an adult, you must. Otherwise, culturally, you will feel. Yeah, but anyway, never mind. That's another topic. Okay, can you get the answer? You try. You have the worksheet review for this one. So I stop screen share. You work it out again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes. Once we have 1 minute now to try this. Where is it?
68.
68, and congratulations. Well done. So you notice that it's not so tough, right? This thing is not tough at all. I do not know whether you find it easier than P6, or do you find it easier than P6 work maths,
Around the same.
or same,
Around the same.
about the same, around the same? Okay, all right. But it's good that you got no issues with this. I'm so glad. Okay, around the same. Okay, all right. I just want to check your anxiety with exams. Has it disappeared completely? Have you had any exams so far?
Not yet.
Okay, but do you think you'll be like scared of exams? Like maths, you are scared, right? Do you still have that?
Um,
No, huh? Means it has disappeared. Well done, lah. Well done, Emma. Okay, now we move on to the next worksheet, which is rate. I think you will be tested on rate, right?
I'm not good at rate.
When's your exam? 2 weeks time. Oh, not good at rate. Okay. When's your exam? 2 weeks time. Is it true? Because my other student says his exam is 2 weeks time.
My first exam is on 28th
2 weeks time is
September.
28th of September. That is okay. Monday. When's your maths exam? Maths exam is
6th October.
Okay, 6 October. So let me just mark this up. 6 October. 6 and 7. Okay, Emma
Yeah.
Maths. Okay, Emma. Where you go to? 6 October, right? Emma Maths. This is paper 1 and paper 2 lah, right? Okay, all right. This for me just to. Okay, let's come to this now. Chapter 7. Just a moment. Okay, all right. Can you have done right? So question 1. A car travels. What's your answer for the first one?
I haven't done it yet.
2 liters per km. Is it?
Haven't done it yet.
Oh, haven't done yet. Okay. So can you haven't done yet? Okay. So can you try? Now the clue is this. Can you see this one down here? L. I cannot see my cursor. Can you see my cursor? Okay. You can see L divided by km. They are telling you the formula in rate or in speed. Like speed is like kilometers per hour. So you take the one with kilometers, divide by the hour. By time, distance divided by time. So over here, they give you the formula actually. Rate, and they have given you the formula. See, pages per minute. So this number of pages divided by number of minutes, you'll get the answer. Do you understand what I'm saying? Calories per kilogram. Take the one with calories, divide by kilogram. The formula is in the units. You get it now? So you have not done, right? You have not done, huh? Can you try the whole of question 1, please? You have printed out the paper? Do you print out or no?
No.
No, okay, so you got to look at this. Okay. Okay, so you try.
0.05.
Well done. Well done. Okay, next one.
0.006.
Well done. Next one. Careful, sometimes you, yeah. This is in minutes. This is in seconds. Be careful. One is in minutes, one is in seconds. So this time, the formula doesn't work. You got to do something. Hi, Ma.
$108.
108 is correct. Well done. Now, so 10 seconds you times by 6 to make it 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Times this by 6. Well done. Yeah, times this by 6. Next one. So rate, you must see the value in your life. Now, this is caloric rate. So what's the answer, sorry?
3.872.
3.872. Well, you must change this now to from gram to kilogram. Be careful of the unit. Look at the unit. Can? Emma?
$3.872.
Well done. Emma, this rate, you may say, you may not like it now, but you know, all this now have something to do with you and life. Caloric rate, maybe let's imagine lah. Okay, you want to lose weight in the future. You will need to know something about this. How many calories can I lose per kilo, to increase per kilogram of sugar or whatnot? Down here, printing. You need you need to calculate if you are in business or working in the office. You may want to know what's a printing rate. You want to buy a printer. They say, okay, this printer, it prints one page in 30 seconds. It's very slow. 30 seconds, one page. So you have to know, this is knowledge you must know. Same thing, price per gram per kilo. You need to know you will be buying things, right? Your parents won't be buying things for you all the time. You will be into the world of independence. This is usage of petrol. So you have to, this one you got to master and you got to relate in real life. The problem is for a lot of mathematics sum, what is happening is people lose interest. Why? Because they don't relate it to their real life. This is actually all related to real life. Okay, we try now. Next question, number 2. By the way, okay, I will be able to teach you right until the end of Sec 2. So the target, if let's say you intend to continue next year or so, your target is you must hit an A, okay, a very good A. All right. So even if you don't have a tutor, you can surf through mathematics. It'll be easy for you. Okay. You cannot just settle for C, just pass B. You have to go for a high A. Okay, that's our target. Okay, we take a long-term approach lah. Can Emma? You must do that. And don't worry, maths is not as scary as it was before. This now all related to life. You must know this. Okay, you try. Question number 2.
$16.40.
$16.40. Let me see. Yeah, and correct. Next one. That's easy. Yeah.
$20.50.
How can we see? Hold on. His hourly rate is $16. You go in plus 4. Cannot plus 4. Hello. You work for 4 hours. So how much is it? 1 hour you got the rate. So find 4 hours. And what do you do?
$65.60.
Again, repeat. What?
$65.60.
Okay, well done. Oh, you said that earlier, is it?
No.
You said earlier? No, okay. But you understand, you must relate, okay? Don't see a disconnect between maths and your life. Maths has a relationship with your life. More than even art or painting, you know. Art and painting, you're so involved. Maths also. All right, so yeah. So you try the next one. Number 3.
$250.
250.
Yeah.
Just 250 only. That's all. 250. Okay, my question to you is, one worker can pack how many cartons a week? One worker. Look at the logic of it. One worker, how much? I see. Now you start to tickle. So you can see the illogicality of it, right? One worker, how much? Decimal ke? Okay, we go step by step. Okay, we're going to go down here. Hold on. Oh, where is it? Let me close this one. Okay, now, they didn't ask you for per day, right? They said per week. So 4 workers can pack 3,000 cartons a week. One worker, down here you got to divide, right? Divide by 4. So you divide by 4, what do you get?
750.
Yes. Now, they asked for 3 workers. What did Emma do? Emma, she said 3 workers. She go and divide by 3 again. One worker can do 750. Oh, you said 2,250 or just 250 just now? Your answer was 250, right? Yes. So 250 means one worker can pack 750. 3 workers should be more. But she go and divide again by 3. Can you see? You divide by 3 again. You go and divide, it becomes 250. Cannot be what? One worker. You understand the illogicality of it? Imagine, might as well don't work. You employ one worker, you can pack 750. You employ 3 workers, they are talking to one another, they only can pack 250. So better not employ 3 workers, employ 1 worker. So down here, you need to times, times by 3. You need to times by 3. So your answer would be?
2250.
Yes. Do you see the illogicality of it? Not? Can see not? 3 workers, 1 worker can pack 750. 3 workers, you say 250 lesser. Not possible. Correct. So you must be able to connect. No, you must. How do you do your working? Did you find 1 worker first? Yes. Then when it goes to this part, the mind didn't connect because it's either you divide or time. So you must think about it. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Okay. So we move on to the next one. All right. We try now. Betina. In Malay, Betina is female, right? So, and this is a lady's name, Betina. Do you know that Betina means women? If someone calls you Betina, is it good or bad?
Good.
Hey, not good. Hello. It's saying that you are like a female animal. Like, sometimes say jantan mana ni. That means which male animal is it? So jantan and betina normally used for the human being is not good. Okay, you try now. You try now. They're asking you for the exchange rate in £1. This is £1 to Singapore dollars. How much is it? Can you see the screen? You can still see the worksheet, right? Yes, sir. Okay, great.
10880.
10880 is for B. They're asking you what is this in Singapore dollars. Your answer for B is correct. But they're asking you for exchange rate. Exchange rate, £1 How much is it in Sing dollars? You must find £1. How much is it? You got the answer already, I think.
$1.70.
Well done. Easy, right? It's very easy, Emma. You can do this, Emma. You can score an A. In fact, if you do not score an A for your exam this year, but don't make it a pressure to you that you become anxious, you should be disappointed. Because you find it so easy, right? Isn't it easy, Emma? You should push yourself to score an A. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree? No one's forcing you, huh? Easy. It's quite easy, right? Sec 1 maths. And you can do your algebra and all. What you do, you must push yourself. You must push yourself to really get an A. But don't push yourself until you panic. No. If you cannot get an A, it's okay. But you got to push yourself because it's within your reach. All right, it's like now someone is giving you money, a $50 note and $2 note. And you just take the $2 note. It's wasted. It's a waste. All right, now we move on again. Question number 5. Again, this is life skill. Next time you have a car, would you want to have a car?
No,
Oh, why?
it's unnecessary.
You might become a very successful person, and you got no time to take the train and all that. You might say, I need a car. And then you might ask, how come they charge me this amount in the car park? You need to know such questions also. Okay, but it's not necessary for now lah. You try, yeah. 5A and 5B. Bismillah. Number one, you got to believe in yourself. Remember, there's 3 rules of mathematics for succeeding. Number one, you got to believe in yourself. That's the basic. If you don't believe you can do this question, that's it. You won't be able to do. If you say it's too confusing, too difficult, that means you won't be able to find an answer. You have to believe this. Can do? Because I don't see you looking down to do the work. You're just staring at the screen, so I'm not too sure. Can do? 1 more minute to think. Think through 1 more minute.
I think you muted yourself.
Okay. Thank you very much. How can do, not? I've been talking to, I thought you couldn't do because I didn't hear an answer. I was talking, you couldn't hear me again. How can you do? You give up the day. You tell yourself you cannot do. Don't tell yourself you cannot. You must believe you can do. You must believe. You have to believe. That's the first thing. Okay, but we'll give you this similar question. Yeah. I'm going to write a similar question. And then we're going to work it out, and then we're going to work it backwards then. Okay. Now, they tell you over here, let us look at the thing here. It's the same thing from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. You know what time is 12 a.m.? Midnight, right? 12 a.m. is midnight, right? Then from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. So this is a 6-hour period. 12 midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 6 hours over here. From 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. is not 6 hours, it's many hours. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., until it's 18 hours, right? So now let's say now the rate down here is $1 per hour. Okay, and this one is $2. Sorry, what? 1 hour per hour. $1 per hour, $2 per hour. Do you understand the rate? Yes. Easy, yeah? Hold on, I'll close this now. Now, I have a car and I park my car from, let's say, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Can you calculate how much money I will be paying in total? I park my car starting from 10 p.m. at night, right until 2 a.m. in the morning. How many dollars do I need to pay? You know how to do, right? $20. One by one. 10 p.m. I will reach midnight, 12 a.m. This is one fare, one rate. How much do I need to pay? 10 to 12 midnight. How many hours? 10 to 12. 2 hours. How much must you pay for 2 hours? $1 1 hour. 2 hours. How many dollars? $2, huh? Right? Now from 12 midnight to 2 a.m. How many hours is here? Huh? 12 midnight, 2 also. But over here is $2 1 hour. So how many dollars is this? $4, right? Because 1 hour is $2. 2 hours must be $4. So you combine this now. So you get $2 plus $4 equals to $6. So this is the amount you need to pay. Now the question is not asking you like this. The question is doing this. You know, it start from 10 p.m. and they finish at, I drove out at 2 a.m. The question doesn't tell you what time. The question doesn't tell you how many hours or how much is paid down here. The question just tell you that this, I drove a car into this car park and I paid $6. I left the car park at 2 a.m. That means I drove out of the car park at 2 a.m. What time did I start? We know that just now when we did the question is 10 p.m. So you must find a way now how to get 10 p.m. So we do step by step. We go backwards now. This is the rate from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. So this comes under this rate. So it comes at 2 a.m. is here. So let us work backwards from 2 a.m. to 12. 2 a.m. to 12, how many hours is it? 2 hours. 1 hour is $2. 2 hours must be $4. So I paid a total of $6, right? So I minus the $4. I get $2. So this $2 is used for this side now. The first rate I spent $4 here. So the balance $2, because I spent a total of $6, I must spend here. So let us see now. Now we go backwards in time, 12 a.m. So $2 can pay for how many hours? $1 1 hour, $2? 2 hours. So you move back 2 hours, 11, 10. Can you see now? 12 midnight, 11 p.m., 10 p.m. So the answer is 10 p.m. Correct? Well, that's what the question we came out originally. So you must use the same technique here. Can you try? You try, yeah? Believe, okay? Emma, believe, Emma. You have to believe. Try that. $19.20 is spent. got out at 10 a.m. Is 10 a.m. here, first rate, 5 cents, or second one, 8 cents? Which one? First rate or second rate? 10 a.m. when you drove out.
Second rate.
Yeah, second. So now you must count now from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. backwards. I count backwards. That means you start from 12 a.m. to 10 a.m. How many hours is that? And then you times by how many minutes? 10 hours. How many hours? How many minutes is that? Then times by 8 cents, you get the amount. So now from 12 a.m. to 10 a.m., how many hours is that? 2 hours only. No. Hello, from 12 midnight. 12 midnight. A.m. here is midnight, you know. 12 midnight to 10 a.m. in the morning. How many hours must pass?
10.
10 hours, correct. 10 hours is how many minutes?
600.
600 minutes at 8 cents per minute. Can you find out how much is spent?
$48.
$48. Hello? Do you take 0.08 times 600? Must take 0.08. Take 0.08 times 600. How much you get? 48? How come you get 48? Hey, yeah, 48. Hold on. Ya Allah, this is not here. Sorry, this is not here. Sorry. This one, that means you park at 8 a.m. Forgive me. It's here, this rate. See, this 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. is this side here. Is this side here. Not this side. So you must come from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. How many hours is that? Six a.m. to 10 a.m. You can do this.
240 minutes.
Good. How much is that? 240 at 5 cents.
$12.
$12. So now you must minus the $12 from here. Then the balance money is spent here. Find out how many minutes is spent here. Sorry for the mistake just now. $12, right? So 720 left. 720. How many minutes?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Good. So you got to go backwards now. 6 a.m. Go 1 hour and 30 minutes behind. Okay, go 1 hour behind. What time?
5 a.m.
Go 30 minutes behind.
4:30.
4:30 a.m. That's your answer. How? Are you okay? Emma, you okay, Emma? I'll give you another question. You have to do this until you are very clear. All right, now I see it down here. Okay. Okay. Shasha drove her car out, sorry, of the car park at, let's see, 7 a.m. Okay. All right, hold on. 7 a.m. Okay. Sorry, so just give me a moment. I need to calculate. Okay, she paid a total of, okay, I'm going to give you the number now. She drove out 7 a.m. Okay, let's see now. She paid a total of $12.60. Question: what time did she enter the car park? You try now. You can do this, Emma. First one is find out the 7 a.m. Which rate is it? First or second? First or second?
First.
First. So first 7 a.m. The rate starts at 6 a.m. So how many hours between 6 and 7 a.m.?
$3.
Hmm?
$3.
Good. $3. How many minutes is $3?
60.
No. Sorry, 60 minutes. Minus that. What's your balance?
And 60.
No. Minus again. Try again.
How much was it again?
1260 minus $3.
960.
960. How many minutes did she pay down here? Because it's 8 cents per minute. So take 960 divided by 0.08. How many minutes is that?
2 hours.
2 hours. Go back from 2 hours. So 6 a.m. go back 2 hours.
4 a.m.
You know how to do? I must give you my own question again to really check whether you get it. Okay, so now I give you one. Maybe I use like that. Shasha drove her car at 9:30. 9. Hold on. She paid. Hold on. 9:30. 9:30 is 6. She paid $15.30. Can you find? How many hours she parked from 6 a.m. to 9:30? Can Emma?
Lost.
Okay, so now we start 9:30 a.m. Is it this first one or second one?
Lost.
First. So we look 6 a.m. to 9:30. She can start. The new rate is from 6 a.m. to 9:30. Why 9:30? Because she left at 9:30. So how many hours and how many minutes is that? From 6 a.m. to 9.
$50.
3 hours and
$7.50.
oh, okay. 3 hours 30 minutes. Huh? So you got $7, is it?
Never mind. $10.50.
Good. So you minus $10.50 from the 15:30. How much you get? How much you get? Balance? When you take 50, 30 minus 10, 50.
480.
Good. 480 is spent on here. This is now, can you
1
find
hour.
1 hour? So go behind 1 hour behind before 6 a.m. The answer is 5 a.m. Very good. Very good. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Hey, why am I sorry. Now we try now. Elaine. Hey, you try this same. It's the same question now. You can do this. Question B. Elaine parked her car from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. So you must ask her 6 p.m. which one is it? And then remember, this is from midnight to 6 a.m. in the morning. It's only 6 hours. You try. Can do, miss? You know how to do, huh? Can Emma? Are you okay, Ma? Cannot? Or will you press the help button? Do you need help? Or can do? Hi, Ma? Can do? Still doing it? Hi, Ma? Are you still doing or not? Or you do not know? Which one? Can do. Don't give up lah. I don't know. You're feeling sad or what? Just whatever it is, believe that. Do you play computer games? No. Okay, if you play, I don't play computer games, but if you play any game, don't losing, winning is all part of life. Can do, cannot do is part of, but the main thing is we learn how to do it. So now, maybe can I see what you have done? You show me what you have done. Can?
I didn't do anything.
Can I? Sorry, you didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, okay. All right. So I'm going to show you my work. So first of all, 6 p.m. it starts from here. Down here, I've got 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. is here. So 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. is one rate. You see now I divide this timing from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. So 6 p.m. is like say day one. This is day one. 6 p.m. right until 12 midnight. Which is what? 12 a.m. Because a.m. is 12 a.m. is 12 midnight. Okay. Then after this is one rate. Then you have another rate. Day two. Why day two? Because after 12 midnight is the next day already. Is the next day. So after midnight, okay, we start from 12 a.m., 12 midnight to she left at 5:40 to 5:40. 12 a.m. sorry, to 5:40 a.m. So you count now how many hours, how many minutes. Same thing. The next one, how many hours and minutes. So how many hours and how many minutes from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight? Can you count on? You know what I'm doing down here? 6 a.m. 18 hours. Okay, we try down here 6 a.m. If you are not sure, so I'm gonna the question from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. So I'm gonna draw it. 6 hours. Yes, 6 hours. How do you say 18 hours? So this is 6 hours. Okay, this one, the next one. What about the next one? From 12 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. How many hours, how many minutes? You can count 12 midnight. 12 midnight is like 0, 0, 0, 0. So to 5:40, 0, 540.
5 hours.
How many hours, how many minutes? Good, well done. So you find out how many is this in minutes. And this one also, you find out how many is it in minutes. Then after that, you times by the rate. Let's say this one now, 6 p.m. to 12 midnight, this is 5 cents per minute. So after
$20 for day 2.
Day 2 is how much?
24.
$22. Okay. What about dollars. Huh? What about day 1?
24.
24. So your answer is
$9 for the first day.
sorry, $9.
For the first day.
Okay, so down here. Okay, down here, how much must we pay? $24, is it?
$9 for the first day.
$9 for first day.
The bottom one is 24.
Or 24, sorry. Okay, let us see now. Let us check. So your total is $33, is it? Yes? Let us see now. How do you 6 hours, no miss? Is how many minutes is this? $6 hours.
$18.
330, yeah? 360.
$18.
So this is $18. $18. And 24. So you get $36. It's still not correct.
$27.20.
$7.20. So what's your total?
$44.20.
Okay, correct. Now you're right. How do you think you understand? Okay, not? Do you understand? You sure? Why you look so sad? What happened? Are you sad? No. I do not know. I'm looking at you. I was seeing the expression. Say, is this, am I happy or sad or whatever? But it shows that you can do lah. So I think don't need to worry. Okay, what we're going to do next week is we're going to continue with, I write on the board so that it's recorded. Okay, so that I can just look at the last part of the video. You continue this worksheet. The worksheet has the question. Let me see. The worksheet's on ratio, right? Ratio. Rate, sorry, rate. This is rate. Huh? Okay, practice 7.2. Question rate. Huh? Question 6, 7, 8. Okay, you complete question 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we will go through. And you have any topics you want me to go through with you next week? Anything? No. You leave it to me. Okay then. All right, Emma. Any questions for me? No. Okay, take care then. Bye-bye.